I love these environments. It's so much fun out here every day. Every day there's so much action. We had this crazy 2-day move. We walked in yesterday, and I'm not going to lie, you could read the shakedown and everything. I thought we had more downside ahead walking right into the week. I was thinking short on the brain. Then I walked into a 4% gap up Monday, and immediately I'm changing my thinking. I know that hypothesis was wrong. So I waited off the open yesterday. I got a little bit long, and we had a sick 2-day move. And then today we open up again 4%, and we pretty much fade that move the entire day. So now we have a new trading range on our hands where it's, down to this, and it's 244, but it really goes to the lows of 218. And now today's high 275. That becomes very important resistance in the market. So we're in this super wide range, and we're just going to stay in this volatility for a little bit. Is the bottom in? I don't know. All these things. People ask the wrong questions in these environments. We got to worry about day by day. So just really interesting price action. This morning when we were gapping up again and we were up 10% in 2 days, the FOMO crowd, you could hear them screaming, and the bulls started beating their chest again, and then the bears won today. So I mean, we're just seeing this back and forth action every day. It's just stay on your toes, stay flexible out here. What are you thinking?
I think if you could pull up the chart that I sent you, the SPY chart, I think I can do a quick little summary. And again, it goes very similar to what you have. So I drew out these three little
range. Okay, sorry.
Yeah, so we have this, the off lows. We're 25% off those recent lows, and even like we saw in the chat today, a lot of those guys were much more enthusiastic looking to buy today because it was so easy. But usually that's the opposite.
Right.
So we're starting to see that, when we get near these 270 area, that's like when the cocky crowd comes in, when unfortunately there's not much opportunity anymore because the names have already moved so dramatically. The SPY moved 25%. Look at individual names that are up, 30, 40, 50%. So these are the times where, even for me, the names that I've been trapped in through this down move that I've been selling into and getting out of because, everyone wants that B bottom, and when everyone wants it, we really get it. So just in this range, this 220, 275, up here, 260, 275, in that area, I'll be looking to sell more. And then if we pull back into this range, I'll be looking to buy in that green zone. So that's my
I couldn't agree more. And something I noticed in the chat today, it's like the guys who killed yesterday, they were pretty quiet. They were ready to take some profit. And the guys who weren't able to, because we gapped up like 4%, and normally Monday gap ups are often filled, but we only came down. We only came down maybe 1% off of that gap up before we started rising once again yesterday. So it was tough to buy. But if you did buy that, you got handsomely rewarded with this 2-day move, and you could sell some off the open today. And then, but I saw the guys who did not take advantage yesterday, tried to buy this 275 today, and those are the ones who got hurt. So it's you see the emotions of the chat, and just traders everywhere. When people are scared, that's when you got to look to buy. When people are getting cocky, that's when you got to look to sell. And that and just keep it tight right now. We're still in a bear market. I don't care what the percentage is or all that BS that everyone wants. Oh, we're up 20% off lows, so we're not in a bear market. When we're seeing the market go up and down 10% in these 2-day spans, that's just bear market qualities. So as long as we're doing that, I'm gonna stick to the short-term trades and just take it day by day, stay super flexible. And I like your chart. That's pretty much a pictorial representation of exactly what I was trying to explain there too.
Yeah, and one last little things we're starting to see. We're getting these 3 to 4 day moves. We're getting 4 days up, 3 days down, 4 days up, 4 days up, a couple days down. So when the broad market's the third or fourth day up, and that's when you're looking to buy, you're probably walking into more of a disaster than what you really want to happen.
Yeah.
So all right, with that, I think we can jump into some of the member ideas.
Yeah.
All right. First up, we got